In this video, I'll show you how to change the notification sound on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. All you have to do is simply open the settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and select sound and touch, And then from here, simply select notifications, and then you should see different categories that you can choose from. So you can find the category that you'd like. So let's say Savannah, you can select that. And also you can tap on each and every sound and hear a preview of how it sounds like. So once you're satisfied with that, you can simply tap on apply, and that will be your new notification sound. Now, in case you don't like these sounds, you can simply scroll down and find the pre-installed sounds. So find the more option, tap on it, and then you can now scroll through and find the system ringtones or the system notification sounds that you can use. So find the one that you'd like to use and then tap on it to hear a preview. And once you like it, simply tap on apply, and that will change the notification sound. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.